Hello, welcome back to our channel HardReset.Info. In front of me I have POCO F8 Ultra. In this video I want to show you how to control TV using your phone. So you want to find and open the application remote that looks like this. At the bottom press Add Remote button. Now select the type of device that you want to control, tap on TV. Now you want to choose your TV's brand from the provided list. Answer the question if your TV is on or off. And now follow the on-screen instructions in order to pair your TV and your phone. So you have to point the remote at TV and tap the power button right here. Also, there will be a test for volume button. And you have to point your phone's IR blaster that is located on the back of your phone in your cameras. You have to point that IR blaster at your TV. And when the TV responds, you have to confirm the pairing and your phone's virtual remote will appear, which lets you control your TV. So that's it. I really hope that this video helps you. If so, please like this video and subscribe to our channel to see more content like this.